Abahlali bathi umasipala ubenzele phansi, bathi bathenjiswa ukwakhelwa izindlu ze-RDP, kodwa esikhundleni salokho bakhelwa izindlu zangasese.
From 2016 kwathiwa hayi sesiyakhelwa manje izindlu la. 2013 kwathiwa iphasile. 2016 kwathiwa siyakhelwa izindlu. Still today sihlulekile sihamba ama-office singena siphume emabhinoni kuphi ema-Braamfontein sizokhuluma ngayo lento la ema-boardroom angase siye kangaka noma kayi-5 kodwa ayikho into yakhona ephumelelayo.
Mabethi bazosakhela bathe mabeqala la bazositshena ngokuthi mangabe bezoqala ukwakha bazoqale benze ama-toilet abe4 bese ke bezosibonisa besibonisa ukuthi ngaba right kodwa bazange bekwenze lokho. Sathi siyabona sathola sebewathele agcwala njengoba egcwele nje.
Umasipala uthi udinga imali engango-270 million ukuphothula lolu hlelo. Kanti ke usola ukuthi abahlali yibona abenza ukuthi kube nokubambezeleka kulo.
The reason why this project now is at the state where it is due to the fact that during these 10 years we had several disputes with the communities that they will come to site and stop the project for some other reasons. However, after we took over last year in April, our first initiative was to come and intervene.
Uqhubeka uthi lolu hlelo luzoqhubeka ngenyanga ezayo. Abahlali banxuswe ukuthi babekezele nakuba sebelinde iminyaka eyishiyagalolunye.